You want something that's really rare that nobody else has? We've got it right here. This is a 351 Cobra Jet Q-Code engine with a 4-speed. It's a real GT, documented with the Marti report, special ordered paint code. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. You'll see the pricing and all the specs on this beautiful car and a few hundred other collector cars, all for sale. We also have shipping, financing, plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can answer all your questions or concerns. I have a whole staff of people working here to help you get your dream car. So go to volocars.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting a lot of videos and it's the best way to see them first. Let's take this GT for a spin. If you're not familiar with the Marti report, they have Ford's microfilm. And they'll print up this report for like $50. You give them the VIN number, and it tells you everything about it. It was built in Atlanta. It's a real Ranchero GT, and it's the Q-Code Cobra Jet 351 4-barrel motor. Special paint, Ford number unknown. So I don't know what that means, but as somebody ordered, I don't know if black was not available that year, but it's special ordered paint. It's got a posi rear end. It came with white lettered tires, visibility group, power steering, power disc brakes, competition suspension, instrument group. So it has a tachometer in there too. But check this out. Bucket seats, 4-speed, tachometer. It's in mint condition inside. The body is aero straight. You know, being black and being that big and wide, it has to be. So it's a clean body. I've been underneath it. I see the bottom of the doors. It's all beautiful. Everything's painted real slick. It's got the nice wheels. It's got the GT hood, bumper guards. There's the 351 Cobra Jet. They did upgrade the 4-barrel. It's a different intake and carb that's on there. HEI ignition, has stock exhaust manifolds, some really nice looking aluminum valve covers. It has the fan shroud, and everything looks proper. Power steering, power brakes, everything's nice, tidy, painted, real nice. Sport mirrors. Door panel looks new, dash pad, kick panels, everything in here is in mint condition. Inside the bed, a couple minor little dimples or dents, nothing significant at all. It's actually really nice. Well, that opened real nice too, smooth. But yeah, look how nice the bed is. It's not beat up, obviously, no rust, clean underneath the tailgate. Let's fire it up. Yeah, this has a full set of gauges in here, like a cockpit. Ooh, that sounds better. Better than I remembered. Yeah, that sounds nice, doesn't it? Got the jack behind the seat where it's supposed to be. Motor's smooth as can be. You don't feel any vibration. It's just smooth. Doors shut nice. Bumper's beautiful. All the trim's real nice. Looks like it has snaps for a tonneau cover. I do not have the tonneau cover, but you could have one made easily. Looks like it did have one at one time. The glass is real nice. Weather strips are real nice. So there you have it. This is a unique ride. They also offer GT stripes. It's a decal you can buy if you wanted to dress it up a little bit. I like it being all black. That's up to the next person that buys it. So visit volocars.com. Check out all the specs and pricing on this and a few hundred other cars that we have. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got plenty of great videos coming. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.